replacing the door actuator on the 98 Safari, or not Safari. And we had to grind these rivets off. First of all, we had to unplug all this stuff, pop the door off with various types of tools here, and pop the door panel off. Here is the door panel, and it is a Astro panel. Astro and Safari is pretty much the same. Power lock changing. You rivet everything on. This is what the rivets look like. We ground them off. Have to take the mount off and put it on the new one. Have to make the mounting holes match up with the die grinder. So I took the mounting plate off of this guy and put it on this one, which was a bit more of a universal type of thing, and had to grind out those holes a bit to allow it to fit. And that's a giant riveter.